Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Black Lace. Today I'm working on a wig. It's a lace front wig. Yes, it was good. And let's begin. First we're starting with the frontal. I've already stitched the elastic band to the frontal. We're going to ensure that the band at the back lays flat on top of the wig cap. It's supposed to be flat on top of your head, right? No bumps, no pleats, no gathering around there. So you have to ensure it's flat, just as how I'm showing you there. Okay, so my measurement was correct, so let's get started. I'm done stitching on the frontal and it's laying flat at the top. I'm gonna use the bundles now. I have two bundles of 14 body wave, 14 inches body wave, and one 16 inch. So I'm gonna start with the 16 inch at the bottom and using the fold over method. This point I've completed, I've used one bundle and I'm now on my going on to my second bundle. That's the first bundle there. We tuck the elastic band underneath, so that will be at the back of your head. And so we're going to start with the second bundle. Now I'm going to start with the last bundle, which is the last 14 inch. Yes, and just gonna sew from left to right. When you reach the top of the head, you would want to cut the weft to avoid having any bumps at the side of your head. So in order for the weft to lay flat, this is my method. I find that it works well. I cut the weft where just measure across the side to where you want it to start and where you want it to stop, and stitch the weft flat, no folding at this point. My last knot to secure the sew in is my last stitch, and I'm just cutting off the extra right there and pulling back the closure. So now we're going to work on getting the closure to look realistic. So we're going to create some baby hairs. You'd want to damp the front of the front of the wig, or the frontal, if you may, just to see, you know, what you're working with. I mean, I find that when you wet it, you will see how thin it is or how thick it is, and whether or not you need to go in some more and do some more thinning of the closure. Thinning means you get the front laying really flat, and I don't know anybody where the front of their head is, the hair is so dense. So to get rid of that wig effect and create that realistic effect, you want to thin the front out using a tweezer. And so I've done that, and I've created the baby hair, and I'm combing it down so that it's to see exactly how it is laying. So we're trimming away some extra hair. I mean, we don't want the baby hair. Baby hairs are not very long, so we have to trim them down as short as possible. So we're doing a nice little swoop right there. I didn't cut the lace because this wig is for a client. It's going to be shipped to Canada, so I don't want to cut the lace. I want her to measure the front of her head to match with this. So I can go ahead and cut this here, cut the lace, as well as the side. I left the side on, so she will measure according to the length or the width of her head from ear to ear. So I left that extra lace there so that she can do all of that customizing herself. She's able. I know she can do it. And we're done. This is the finished look, you guys. Baby hair. Look how natural that looks. I mean, it would look so much better if the lace wasn't there, but as I said, I didn't want to cut the lace. I want her to do the cutting. And that's it. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. I mean, this is like my second hair video, so I'm still learning, and I'm still trying to get comfortable with speaking to you guys. So, but you've been watching and you've been commenting, and I thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye. Mwah, mwah.